Easy foil transfer t-shirt tutorial. That's why you're here today. So this is going to be a short video. I was looking through YouTube and trying to remember what the temperature was for my foil adhesive, and I came across a bunch of long videos, so I figured I'd put this together. We're on Cricut Design Space. The first thing you have to do is remove your background and hit apply. Second page, single layer, because I'm using the adhesive. Hit next. Third page, you can't move on unless you name it, so give it a name, hit apply. My Cricut Air 2 is doing the job. So I'm thankful you guys are here with me in 2026. This was a short, quick tutorial. Like I said, I was on a deep dive, couldn't remember what the temperature was for my adhesive for my foil, so I figured I would make a really quick video and throw a bunch of screenshots in the beginning, to give you a quick, hey, this is how you use Cricut on a tablet, Fire tablet. So yeah, I am preheating my shirt for 8 seconds at 305 degrees. This is a template. It tells you pretty much, you line it up with the collar, and it shows you where to place your print on the shirts. This shirt is for my nephew. He really loves Donkey Kong. Please, the owners of Donkey Kong, don't come after me. Personal use only, I promise. .305 degrees for 15 seconds. So, if you guys are new here, welcome to Katie Bugs Crafts. If you're returning, I appreciate you coming back to see me. The adhesive is a hot peel, so just peel it off nice and gently, against the fabric. Don't pull it directly up. Just slide it across the fabric. It'll come right off. You don't want to use the adhesive until it's cooled off a little bit. You don't want it sticking to your fingers. So give it 10-15 seconds, 20 seconds. Just let it, do its thing for a minute. So I almost messed up here. I almost put the red at the top, which would have been a no-no. Like, what was I thinking? I'm glad I figured it out, though. This clear adhesive is super clear. It's hard to see where it is, and I had to cut it out, around the loop, and I had a hard time seeing it. There you go. Now that it's done, I stick it back on the hanger. I was doing many shirts, so I just forgot about it for a half an hour and rip it off like a band-aid. How cool is that? My nephew's gonna love it. It's on like Donkey Kong. Have a great week, guys.